Start. Dear sirs, we thank you for your promptness in dispatching the goods ordered by us last week. Stop. We, however, point out that our order was for 3 dozen pieces of electric irons, but we find the consignment contains 4 dozen pieces, although you have billed us for 3 dozens only. Stop. We therefore believe that the mistake must have occurred in assembling the articles meant for us. Stop. Normally, we would have asked you to send us a new bill for the excess goods, but unfortunately, our requirements are so completely covered that we do not see any early prospects for an outlet for the surplus. Stop. Nor do we want to block our money in the surplus stock indefinitely. Stop. We are therefore holding your goods pending your instructions as to how the same should be returned to you. Yours faithfully. Para. Dear sirs, we thank you for your kind letter informing us about the surplus supply of electric irons. Stop. We are sorry that should have happened in spite of our system of checking and rechecking. Stop. We are, however, happy to note that the surplus goods have fallen in hands where they are in safe custody. Stop. We are looking into the matter here, but request you if you can manage to retain them with you. Stop. We shall be willing to give you 6 months credit on the excess goods. Stop. We once again thank you for your generous consideration in regard to informing us about your mistake and trust that measures being taken by us will go a long way in preventing mistakes of this kind in future. Yours faithfully. Stop. Para. Dear sirs, we thank you for the promptness with which you have dispatched our goods. Stop. We find the articles in perfect condition and up to the required specifications. Stop. We may also state that your goods have met a very good welcome in the market, and we expect an appreciably heavier demand soon. Stop. We may, however, point out that the packing left a great deal to be desired and was not suited to local conditions. Stop. We had expected that you would use waterproof sacking to pack the goods during these months of the monsoon. Stop. In the absence of such packing, these pieces of goods were soiled and lost their attractive appearance, with the result that they were a little more than junk when we opened the consignment. Stop. We therefore request you to take special care in packing your goods in future and save the bother of consequent replacements. Stop. Yours faithfully.